So welcome. Now I'm here to show you today the brand new subscription box that we have for you, and this is the character stamp and die set. You have over 230 elements in this fabulous keepsake box. You can see it comes in that lovely traditional purple box. So there's 230 elements and it makes a minimum of 24 cards. Now on the back it does tell you exactly what you're getting in the box, but I think the best way to show you what you're getting is to actually show you. So if we open up the box, always the exciting part, let's open this box up and take a look inside what we have in here. Now obviously we always have a little welcome to your new project kit, a lovely message from our Sarah telling you all about the fun and the hours of fun that you're going to have with this fabulous kit. Got the lovely thank you for your purchase there, and if we open up, this is when it gets really exciting. Look what we have in this box. This subscription box never let us down. You get some amazing things here, and I'm going to run these through what you're actually getting. So first of all, let me just see if I can bring in there. You can see we have got some lovely pearl adhesive, self-adhesive gems. We've got that lovely colour tone of the minty green, the lovely lilac, and that lovely deep pink as well. So that's the first thing that we're getting in the box. What else do we get in here? Now, we get some assorted ribbon. Now, when I say assorted ribbon, I'm just going to open this up and show you. So let's show you closely what you're actually getting. So in here now, we have 3 sets of satin ribbon. And again, that same colour tone from that lovely lilac, that lovely mint green, and that lovely pink as well. So 3 sizes from your largest to your medium to your small in width. So that's the 3 sets that you get there. And if you've noticed, there is a theme going off here with the colour tones that you can have. Here we've got the metal die set. We've got the with love and the thank you. And you also have got the metal die here to create the aperture. And then this one character here, metal die, that's going to be able to cut out the next thing that's coming up, which are the stamps. Now the wonderful thing about these stamps are the characters, really cute characters. Now if I just bring in again a sheet, you can actually see there we have that cute dog, the lovely pussycat, but this is the peekaboo element to this. So we have got the back of the cat and the back of the dog, and if I just turn that there, you can see that element as well. Now also on here you have some sentiments. You're so sweet from the bottom of my heart, happy birthday, hello, on your special day, on your birthday, from me to you, and cute. And this is what this set is. It is completely cute. However, let me just bring back in, can you see the shape of that die? The shape of that die matches these, both of them, not just one of them. It will cut out both, and we'll explain a little bit more later on. The next thing we have are the second set of the cute element stamps. Look at this, that lovely piglet there, look at his little smiley face, and behind him he's got that lovely rose there. And then if we turn this one, you can see you've got the squirrel holding his acorn. He's not letting go of that. And then the back part to him as well. So that's the back is the lovely bushy tail that you have. And again, you've got some lovely sentiments on here and some nice little embellishments from your little envelope with the love hearts to the roses. And then you've got some more sentiments, smile from all of us, for being you, for the gift, just to say for everything that you do. It means you can mix and match these. You'll be able to use any of those sentiments that will work so lovely together for the whole of this kit. But we're not done there. What else have we got in here? We have all the elements you need to be able to make your card. So we've got some card blanks in various different sizes. Like we said, the minimum that you're going to make from this kit is 24 cards. Let's just get into this bag so I can show you the sizes that you get in here as well. So you're getting all the card blanks to be able to create all these cards. Absolutely fabulous. And there is 8 of those size. I think that's a 5x7. Then we've got the smaller size and then the square size as well. So you've got all those, and then we're also giving you the matching envelopes as well. So you're getting the set of envelopes that will fit the card blanks perfectly. We're not done. We have more. We have got printed paper here as well. Look at this printed paper, and let's delve inside. Let's have a look and see what we've got in here. Now look at these papers and how beautiful these papers are. Look at the colour tones again, those lovely feathers. Let's spread those out so we can see. You've got the stars, we've got the lovely, oh look at that one, I love that pattern. There's a lot going off there, but how fabulous is that pattern? And if you've noticed again, the colour tones all work really wonderfully, but you've got loads to choose from. So you've got some pinks in there, you have some stripes and different abstract designs on there, the lovely rainbows, and we're not done, we've still got more, but you can see all these will match perfectly together. Now there is altogether 8 by 8 in size, all those papers that come in there as well. Not only have you got the printed papers, you've got the coloured cardstock as well. So we have the coloured card, and let's delve inside and see what colours we've got here as well. So we've got those lovely colours, and if you've noticed straight away, the papers all match. So it means you can do your matting and layering. You could stamp directly onto these if you wanted to do so, but there's lots of ways that you can use these. And look at the colour tones again. You've got the bright pinks, the pastel pink, you have that lovely green tone, then we have the beautiful purple and also the yellow tones, and then the lovely bright, I say bright yellow, but verging on orange again. But all those match these colour tones that are in the paper. They're absolutely fabulous. And again, 8 by 8 in size, so you can see everything that you're getting matches perfectly and works wonderfully together. So shall I show you what you can make with it? Let's have a look. I've got a few finished samples so that you can see these. Let me just pop all these back in. Don't want to be losing anything out of this gorgeous kit. Let's just move those to one side. And even look, it even comes in that presentation box, which means you can store everything in here, and it gives you a few ideas on the box itself. You can see some lovely inspiration there, and like I've said, everything on the back regarding what you're getting from everything that's in the box there as well. So let's just show you a few of these finished samples, and if I just move these out of the way for a second, I want to show you these really cute peekaboo kind of characters. But how cute are these? Look at this. Look at him. He is fabulous. And if the elements that you have from that die set, that's the With Love, and then also that shaped die that goes across there to create that aperture. You've got the back part of the piglet. Look, and then if we open him up, there he is, all inside. But how beautiful is he? That's one. Let me show you another way that you can use this. So this is an edgeable die that's in there. So you can use this on all your edgeables, whether it be on the top, whether it be on the side. And this one literally is just on the side there. You can see there going down. But look how cute. And when we open it up, you've even got him all the way through that cardstock. That is truly fabulous. Now then, I've got a couple more to show you. Then we've got one here. So you can see when you open that up, you can create a perfect easel card. And look how cute. Again, you've got him on the back. There we go. There, look at that. How cute is that? That's fabulous. And using it this time on the top of the card, on the top of the easel part there, you can see that thank you cut out there. I'm not done. I've got one more to show you. A lovely twisted easel. Again, that lovely cute character to it, but when I turn him around, the detail that you can add to these cards truly makes that really, really cute and very versatile. There are so many ways that you're going to be able to use these, that from this wonderful latest subscription box that we have for you, that is the character stamp and die set.